sing that shit.
So I just got this new treadmill. It is by Sunny Health and Fitness. So you come down here to turn on the machine, okay? Plugged into the wall. It's turned on. You can see that right there. And as you can see, it's up for storage purposes, which in my home truly makes a difference. So to release it, you hold the top. You should be doing this with shoes, but you know, I'm trying to pull it down. Takes a second to get the hang of it, but it lowers slowly. You don't have to have your hand there, as you can see. It's lowering all by itself, okay? And this is how big it is, so you can pause and see the before and after reference, okay? So then you hop on the machine and it goes up to 6 miles per hour and it holds up to 350 pounds. So it's no heart rate or anything, and you can't add your own weight for accurate calories. But if you're looking just for a compact, you know, hefty machine that's not too big and just lets you jog in the home, you know, this is it. So it does make an initial sound like that, but that's about the loudest it gets. And it defaults you to 0.5. 0.3 is like a really good jog. Starts to speed up in a couple seconds. This is how it sounds with me jogging. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it off. Without anyone on it, it's pretty quiet. And then you just press the stop button. It pauses. Press it again to clear. And I think eventually it turns off. If not, you can just turn the machine off.